Hey guys, in this video, I want to go over real quick on an issue I came across, and I thought maybe it'll help somebody else out, is spawning sounds in a multiplayer event. So if we go in here and we hit play, we'll have our, let me drag this over. We'll have this guy come in and he's going to hit open this up. You can hear that whenever we play this, there's another sound coming in. They're right there. So that means that they are out of sync. So we're gonna fix this. And if you're working on a single player game, like, this works fine. We're going to kind of redo this just a little bit. So instead of having these two sit up here, we're just going to create an audio and then just do it this way. So we'll go down here, custom event, and we're going to say server spawn, say server spawn audio. And this is going to run on multicast. It's going to be reliable. And we're going to spawn audio at location. Nope, not dialogue. Spawn sound at location. Now, I'm not going to worry about the attenuation or anything like that. We're just going to do the sound. So we want to be able to pass this through and pass this through. Rotation, I'm not too worried about. Okay, so we have that. Now we need to call this from the server. You can't call a multicast from the client. It has to be from the server. So we're going to say spawn audio. Oh, if I could spell correctly. Okay, and then we're just going to call this server spawn audio, and then we're just going to pass this through. I know it seems like a lot, but this is the way an RPC works. And then this one has to run on server. We'll mark it reliable, just so that we know that this is going to spawn. And then we'll come back up here. We're going to replace this. Instead of having this, we're going to say spawn audio. Okay. And then what's going to happen is we're going to have to change this. So that's why we get rid of these two. So what we'll do is we'll promote this to a variable, and we're going to say open sound. And then we'll keep those. We'll keep that because we need that. And then we'll duplicate this. We'll say close sound. Drag this into here. Pull this in here. And location is going to be the actor's location. So we can say get actor location. And then we're going to pass this through. Okay. And you know what? I did not set those. So that's not going to work at all. So let's go back to our base. And this is going to be our creek 3. And then our creek 16. Save. All right. Should take control of this one. Going to run over here. Okay. Awesome. That was it, guys. Appreciate it. Later.